Hello students, we are going to continue the chapter 5. We have been studying chapter 5 for few days. Okay, and the chapter 5 is natural numbers and whole numbers, and this is the part 8 of this chapter. So today we are going to talk about the patterns. In the last sessions we have learned about the properties of whole numbers. All the properties we have learned: properties of the whole numbers, for the addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, and for division. For all the operations we have learned the properties of the whole numbers, and today we will learn about the patterns. A pattern is an arrangement of the numbers or shapes. Actually, what is the pattern? Actually, some numbers and figures will be given, and that those numbers or figures will be on some pattern. We'll have to observe that pattern, and we'll have to extend them. By observing the patterns we recognize, okay, that what pattern is being followed, and after that we'll extend them. And some of the patterns have been given using the numbers and shapes. So here we'll find the pattern, that what is the pattern is being followed here, and we will extend it. Like here you can see that 1, then 4, then 7, 10, 13. After that what will be here, which number will should be written here on this basis. Okay, what? So for that we'll have to find the relation between the numbers, or we can say that which pattern is being followed. So here you can notice that 1, then 4 has come, and then 7 has come. It means 1 plus 3, 3 has been added. Again 4 plus 3 means 3 has been increased. Okay, means 3 for the next term, for getting the next number, 3 is being added. Means 1 plus 3, then 4, 4 plus 3, then 7, 7 plus 3, then 10, 10 plus 3, then 13. It means the next number is 10 greater than the previous number. It means we'll have to add 10 to get the next number. It means what should be written here in place of the blank space? Here what should be there? 13 is there, and we'll add 3, so we'll get 16. It means here 16 should be written. So like this we'll have to find the pattern, and we'll have to extend them. So here also we can see that what is being followed: 2 square, 4 square, 6 square. Means squares of the even numbers are there. Okay, and they are in the sum, in the addition. So 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square, what should be here? Here should be 8 square. Then what can be written here? Then 10 square. Like this it will be going on. And in this pattern, which is having the shapes, okay, which are based on the shapes, what pattern is being followed here? Very easy it is. You can see that here one quadrilateral is there, then here 2 are there, then 3 are there, then what should be here? 4 quadrilateral. Easily you can draw. Okay, 4 quadrilateral like this. So 4 quadrilateral. Next will be 5 quadrilateral like this. The patterns will observe the pattern, and will what? Extend them. And like this here also T is there, then T and inverted T, then T inverted T, and then correct T, erected T. And then like this will what should be here? Very it is 1 erect, 1 inverse, 1 erect, 1 inverse. Like this it will be written, and so on. We can write many. So like this we'll observe. First thing, that observe the pattern, find out the pattern, and then move further. And it is very easy to do. Patterns in the whole numbers and natural numbers, including magic squares. About the magic square also we'll learn here. So here if you will find the pattern, what can you see? That 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. It means what? 4 means 2 into 2. And here 1 plus 3 plus 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. It means here we can see that all the odd numbers are there. Okay, first few odd numbers are there: 1 3, 1 3 5, 1 3 5 7. So what we have seen here, that if we are taking two odd numbers, 1 and 3, two odd numbers, then its product is 2 into 2. Okay, product it means its value will be 2 into 2. It means 4. So without adding also we can find. Okay, suppose that 1 plus 3 plus 5. So what is the okay, how many numbers are there here? How many? Three are there. Three odd numbers are there. First or three odd numbers are there. So if you'll add, then you'll get 9. So it can be written like this also. Three are there, then it means 3 into 3. It means 9. 4 will be there, then 4 into 4. 5 will be there, then 5 into 5. So like this, without adding, we can find the value. So here we can see that 2 are there, it means 2 into 2. 3 are there, it means 3 into 3. 4 are there, then 4 into 4. Suppose that I'll give you that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. What will be the answer? Okay, without adding we can get the answer. What will you have to do? First count the number of the first few odd numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are there, then 6 into 6 will be the answer. 36. It means if you will add these numbers, then you will get 36. So we have got the relation between these numbers. No, this pattern we have got, that what pattern is being followed. So we can easily find out the sum of first few odd numbers. If I'll say that find the sum of first 9 odd numbers. 9 odd numbers. First 9 odd numbers means what? The sum of 1 3 5 7 9 11, like this 9 odd numbers will take first 9 odd numbers and we'll get the sum. But in place of that we can do one more thing, that how many numbers are there? 9. First 9 odd numbers are there, it means we will get the value what? 9 into 9. So we'll get 81. Without adding we can get the value like this. So it is very easy to find out the sum of first few odd numbers. We can do now. I hope that you have understood this. Now here you can see that the same thing has been explained, that the sum of 6 the sum of first 6 odd numbers, the sum of first 7 odd numbers. So according to this pattern, what we have got, that the sum of n odd numbers is equal to n squared. N squared. What is the meaning of square? Actually, if anything is there in the multiplication 2 times, then we put the power 2. It is n squared. Suppose that I am going to write 5 into 5. So it can be written like this, 5 squared. This is known as the power. Okay, and it is read as the square also. If power 2 is there, then a square. So if n numbers are there, okay, we will have to find the sum of n odd natural numbers. Then what will you do? Then we'll get n into n, like 6 into 6, 7 into 7, 5 into 5 we had done. No, like that, n into n, it means n squared. So we can easily get the sum of the first few odd numbers. So some examples are there, you will practice these examples. In the same way, what can we do, that if we'll have to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Suppose that I will tell you that find the sum of first few natural numbers. Suppose that 1 plus 2 plus 3 natural numbers I am saying, not odd or even. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this. I can give you many odd numbers and I'll tell you that you find the sum. Then what will do, you will add 1 plus 2 3 3 3 6 3 6 4 10, like this you can do. We can do very easily if it is very small. But if I'll give you that you find the sum of 50 natural numbers, first 50 natural numbers, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus, like this you will do till 50. So it will be very complicated. So one method is there which can help us to find out the sum of first few natural numbers very easily. Suppose that how many are there, how many natural numbers here I have taken 8. So formula is there that if we are going to take n natural numbers, okay, how many, n maybe say 7 natural numbers, 8 natural numbers, 9 natural numbers, like that. So the sum will be n into n plus whole by 2, n into n plus whole by 2. This is the formula for finding out the sum of the first few natural numbers. So n is the number of natural numbers, okay, into n plus 1. So here how many natural numbers I have taken? 8 natural numbers I have taken. No, 1 to 8, 8 natural numbers. So 8 into, okay, n will be 8. So 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 will get. So if we'll solve it, then what will get? Let me write again. Okay, 1 to 1 plus 2 plus 3, like this we have added up to 8. Then what we have got, that n into n plus 1. Okay, here it is into n plus 1 by 2. So here we can get 8 into n plus 8 plus 1, it means 9 by 2. If we will divide it, then we will get 4. 2 4 ja 8, it has been cancelled. So now 4 9 ja 36. So we have got the value that if we will add the numbers 1 2 3 4, means a natural number, first 8 natural numbers, then the sum will be 36. Like this we can find the sum of many natural numbers. If suppose that I'll tell you that find the sum of 20 natural numbers. How many? 20 natural numbers. So you will add that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, like this up to 20. Okay, and then you will add. Otherwise you can use the formula also. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. And what is n here? N is 20. So 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2. Sorry, actually on the screen it is not possible to write properly, but you can understand. 20 plus 1 by 2, it means what will you get? 20 into 20 plus 1, it means 21 by 2. So if we will divide it by 2, then we will get 10. 2 10 are 20. So now 21 into 10, what will you get? 210. So the sum will be 210. If you will add the natural numbers 1 to 20, first 20 natural numbers, then we will get 210. So this formula can help us a lot to find the sum of first few natural numbers. Now if we will have to find out the sum of first and even numbers only, okay, even natural numbers only, then what will you do? Here all the numbers were there, natural numbers in this, even was also there, odd was also there. But if we will take only odd numbers, sorry, or even numbers, if we will take only even natural numbers, then how can we find out the sum? So this is the formula, n into n plus 1. Simply n is the number of the numbers, number of the even natural numbers. So how many are you going to take? Suppose that 2 4 6 8 10, 5 natural number have been taken, natural even number. Okay, so if we will have to find out the sum, then what can we do? 5 are there, it means 5 into 5 plus 1. We'll put on the formula n into, what is the formula? N into n plus 1. N means number of, n is the number of even natural number. So here 5 are there, that's why 5 in place of n I have written 5. So 5 into 5 plus 1 whole, so 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So the sum of first 5 even natural number is 30. So using this method we can find out the sum of few even numbers. If I'll tell you that find the sum of 15 even, first 15 even numbers, then what will you do? First 15, then what is the formula? N into n plus 1. So 15 we have 15 numbers, so 15 into 15 plus 1, it means 15 into 16, and you will multiply it, whatever value you will get, that will be the answer. Okay, 16 5 are 80 and 16 8 24, so 240 will be the answer. If you will add 15 even natural number, it means 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18, like this. If you will take 15 even numbers and you will add, then you will get this result 240. So it is very useful formula to find out this sum, this and this. So pattern 2, what we'll do here, you observe that what is there, 1 2 3 plus 4 plus 5, what is there, that the sum of 5 natural numbers, the sum of first 5 natural numbers is 15. Okay, if we will skip, we will remove 1 and we will add 1. Not understood? Let's see here what happened here, and that in the next 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 20 is there. It means 1 has been removed. Okay, one natural number from the beginning, it has been removed and 1 has been added. Then what happened, that 5 has increased in the sum. And again in the next step, the first natural number has been removed. Okay, from 3 it has been started, and in the last one natural number has been added. in plus after 6 one natural number 7 has been added, then again 5 has increased. It means if we will remove one natural number from the beginning and one next natural number will add in the last, then what will be, the sum will increase by 5. You can see that earlier it was 15 and 1 has been removed and 1 has been added in the last, then 5 has increased. Again the same thing here happened, that the sum was 20, 1 has been removed from the beginning, 1 has been added in the last, so again 5 has increased. So like this you can find out the you can observe the pattern. I hope that you have understood this pattern also. So now this pattern you see that 1111, it means 1111 into 1111 means the number which contains only 1. Okay, and we'll multiply the same number by, let me take an example. Suppose that you are going to multiply 11 into 11. Okay, the number which contain only 1, and we, okay, those numbers will take like 11, 111, 1111. So that type of number will take, and we will multiply the same, we will multiply that number by itself. Then what will you get? If you will multiply, then you will get 128. Otherwise you will multiply 111, it means 111 into 111. What will you get? You will get 1 2 1 minute 3 2 1. Okay, if you will multiply 1111 into 1111 1111, then you will get 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So what pattern have we observed? You see how many 1 are there here in the number, 2 digits are there. How many? 2 digits are there. So we'll go up to 2, 1 2. Again we'll come back. Here you see 3 are there, 3 ones are there, so we'll write 1 2 3, and again we'll go in the reverse manner, 2 1. Okay, you will see the total number of ones, and up to that we'll go, and after that we'll come back. Okay, 3 were there, that's why 1 2 3, and then 2 1. If 4 are there, what will you write? 1 2 3 4. 4 are there, so we will stop at 4, and again we will go in reverse manner, 3 2 1. So like this, if 5 will be there, 1 1 1, sorry, 1 1 1 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 1 1. It means 11,111. Like this it will be there. How many ones are there? 5. So we'll add 1 2 3 4 5. So up to 5 we have come. Only 5 were there, so I have stopped at 5. Now we'll go in the reverse manner, 4 3 2 1. I hope that you understood. So like this we can find out the product of these type of numbers. I hope that you understood. So now homework. In the last session you did not get the homework, no, so you can do the exercise 5e very easily, because all the topics on which basis the exercise 5e is there, okay, all the topics has been explained. I hope that all of you are able to do 5e. So you will do this chapter, and further topics will be taught in the next session. Till that time, all of you, bye, have a nice day.